gonna throw this round here at 50. Oh, the tires are complaining. It's so silly and it's so fun. Feels so wrong, but it feels so right. I love it. I will be saying this on this channel until the day I die. Power in a car is irrelevant for enjoying it on the road. You will see throughout this video, I'm gonna have a ton of fun, and I have a fairly heavy car with 130 horsepower. I don't normally talk about what car I'm driving in most of my videos, because I try to make the videos as broad as possible so that they can apply to anyone. But I think for this video, it's important to give the context. So this entire video will be filmed in my wife's daily driver. It's a Citroen C5X. It has a 1.2 litre engine with 130 horsepower. It has tiny little brakes. It has skinny little tyres. It's kind of an SUV, so it's lifted and it's really soft suspension. It's a car that's built for comfort and has no sporting prowess whatsoever. The seats are not buckety. Ugh! It's an automatic. It's a big, heavy, lumbering beast of a thing. It's actually got 3 different brands of tyre. This one's a Landsail. Your bog standard economy car is faster than this car. And you will find later in this video, and I know this for a fact because I'm shooting this at the end of the day, driving this car fast will put a massive smile on your face. So if I can enjoy driving this, I can almost guarantee you can enjoy driving absolutely anything. Now there are limitations to cars that are not designed to go quickly. We'll talk about all of those points later in the video. So let's go do that. Let's get out on the road. If this is not your first Mick Drives Cars video, maybe subscribe and leave a like. I wouldn't recommend this if you're a super new driver. Starting to push a car that's really not designed to be pushed is risky. So here's my caveat for you all. One of the big benefits of modern performance cars is that they have a lot of margin for error. They're so overbuilt and they're so overfast, so overtired, overbraked, that they're very forgiving. You can go into a corner at a much higher pace than your skill level, and you might come out the other side okay. If you're gonna push a car like this, which is not meant for such activities, it's gonna be more down to you to keep you on the road. So be aware of that and be careful of that. And before you even get to the road, you want to set yourself up for success. Use all the features that your car has to make it as sporty as possible. So first of all, and you can do this literally in any car, set your seating position up in a sporty way. If you're used to being reclined back and sitting back like this, first of all, stop in general. But second of all, move your seat to a more upright position. Get your steering wheel as close to your chest as you can. You'll be shocked how much sportier the car feels immediately. If your car has driving modes like most modern cars do, make use of them. I'm going to put the car in sport mode. In most cars, what that will do is make the steering a bit heavier, make the throttle more sensitive, and if it's an automatic, make the gears change a bit sooner, quicker, and more aggressively. These are all great things that you want for sporty driving. If you have an automatic car, put your gearbox in manual mode so you can change gears yourself. If you're in a manual car, prepare your brain for changing gears in a sporty fashion. You don't just want to go to the highest gear possible all the time. For a corner like this, you probably want third, so choose those gears correctly. There are some places on the road where it's just not appropriate to be driving fast and trying to enjoy your car. Big dual carriageways where people are just commuting. The 30 mile an hour, sleepy village, don't be hooning through here. It's not appropriate. I will show you where you should be doing this. These are the types of corners you want. The tight technical ones. Full brakes, downshift. Power through the corner. Into the 50 mile an hour limit. Look at this. I'm literally extending the gear all the way to red line. Because this car's slow. It's got short little gears. So enjoyable. Throw it around these bends. It's such a laugh. And you saw, I got a little bit of understeer there. I went just over the white line. There's no cars around. It's a safe situation to have those little mistakes. The internet might crucify me for this. I think those little mistakes are a very, very good thing for most people. I think they tell you where the limits of your car are. They teach you about driving and about what you can and can't do. And if nobody's hurt by those little mistakes, I think once in a while you should seek them out because they will massively improve your driving ability. The things you want to watch out for: the lack of braking performance for sure. Probably the biggest differentiator between genuine performance cars and normal cars. You just don't have the stopping ability. If I do a little emergency brake in a second, this is full braking as much as I got. It does slow down, but it's just at a rate that I'm uncomfortable with. And the problem with those weaker brakes is that you have a longer braking distance, which means you need more margin for error. You need more space. And that's definitely a downside. You've got to watch out for these situations because they will sneak up on you. If you look in the rearview mirror there, it's not a long way to the next blind corner behind me. So if we're the ones flying around that blind corner at pace, we might end up in a situation where we're emergency braking from right there to the back of my car. This is where margin for error comes into the picture. You've got to leave yourself room to make mistakes. You've got to understand that you're not in some hot hatch, you're not in some genuine performance car. Your braking distances are going to be long. So in slow cars like this, you have to hold on to your momentum. You don't have much power. It takes you a long time to get up to speed. So once you get up to speed, you want to hold on to that speed. Let's go. See, full throttle for ages, I'm still not even at 60 miles an hour. ABS on the braking, body roll on the turning. But this is so fun. Pushing a car that's not meant to do this. It feels so wrong, but so right. Dives under braking. I'm not even going fast at all. But it feels like I'm doing 1,000,000 miles an hour. So fun. Downshift to second, ring out the engine. So enjoyable. And when you can, hold on to that momentum. If you got up to 60, you've spent the effort to get to 60 miles an hour. Try to keep your momentum through the corners. I can't. I've dabbed the brakes here because I'm scared of going around this corner at this speed. This car's just not meant for it. Like, look at the... It's just a big boat. And look at this. That is I think it's a Citroen C1. And I'm like throwing this car through these corners and barely keeping up with Doris in her Citroen C1. It's wonderful. Everybody should enjoy cars in this way. This little 3-cylinder engine has a little bark to it. So when you get on throttle, it goes wah. I love it. You want to be very progressive with how you build up speed. You will find your biggest limiting factor will be the grip of your tires. So you don't want to overwhelm them too quickly. You want to just play with it. Enjoy it. Do accelerate. Do brake hard. Do turn in hard. You can see I'm doing the most. But I'm not really gaining on these guys in front of me. And that's the beauty and the joy of driving a slow car fast. That's why I honestly think on the road, in these conditions and situations, you might actually be better off in a normal commuter car trying to enjoy it than in a genuine performance car. I've spoken about this at length, and it's part of the reason why I went from a nearly new BMW M2 to a Mazda MX-5. YouTube really thinks you're going to enjoy this video, but I think this video about defensive driving is even better. If you pair defensive driving with the stuff I've talked about in this video, you can drive your daily driver fast and safely. My name's Mick. I drive cars. Peace.